Hello, and welcome to a tutorial by LyonsType. In this video, I'm going to show you a very effective way to make proper weights to a glyph on a font you could be working on. Right now, this is the thing I'm working on that is going to be featured in an upcoming package of Neue Typefaces. If you go to Tools, and Actions, and Change Weight, when you change the slider on Change Weight, you will see that the results shown in the preview aren't looking accurate like they're supposed to be. Let's take another preview. My point proves that the anatomy of the glyph, like the aperture, bowl, and other pieces, overlap with each other. Here's how to do it properly. Go to a glyph you want to make changes to. Select the nodes that you can change the scale on. Before doing that, make sure that Power Nudge is activated on the contour toolbar. Now highlight the number on the width field, and enter a new value. Do the same for the other side of the bowl. And continue to adjust some pieces here and there in the glyph to signify a proper looking weight you're creating. It usually takes about a minute and over to apply tweaking in its places. And that's how we properly implement the new weight. If you'd like to see more from LyonsType, hit the subscribe button and the bell for notifications, and share this video with your friends and family. Thanks for watching.